Oh my God.
My wife was only saying a few months ago, she says, I think Cassie's dead now. She says, we're a vet in Chichester. Did you have a chocolate cocker? I said, we did 8 years ago, but she got stolen. She said, she's come into the vets and we scanned her and we found out that she's your dog. I said, that's right. Wonderful to get Cassie back after 8 years. When you tell people about it, they say 8 years. I say, yeah, I'm thinking it was 8 years.